So cooking in conversation is where new communities come together and look at different dishes. It wasn't only about cooking, it was coming all together, try to see how the food is made and also getting to know the culture itself. Doro is made with chicken drumsticks and wings cooked with and served in a hot sauce with butter, onion, cardamom, and berbere. This is a traditional dish that we make on holidays, specifically on Christmas, New Year's, and Easter. So we don't basically eat it every day. It's an occasional food that we always cook. So doro is not just anything you cook randomly. It actually has a meaning to gather our community, our neighbors, but especially like our families. So I wanted to share this dish because I've never done this before, and this is my first time being outside of my country. So I wanted to be able to explore how people kind of see a different side of other people's country, where they come from and what they eat, so that it was a representation of me bringing home